If you're over 60 and still doing these 5 things, you could be seriously damaging your health without even knowing it. And the scary part? Most doctors never warn you about them. Stay with me because number 3 is something almost everyone over 60 is guilty of right now. Welcome back to Still Young, After 60, the channel that proves age is just a number. I'm so glad you're here today because we're going deep on 5 health mistakes that people over 60 make every single day, sometimes for years, without realizing the damage they're doing. The good news? Every single one of these is completely fixable. Let's get into it. Number 1, and this might be the most important one, never, ever skip strength training. I hear it all the time. I'm too old to lift weights. That's for young people. Let me be very clear. That thinking could cost you your independence. Here's what's happening inside your body right now. After 60, you lose 1 to 2% of your muscle mass every single year. It's called sarcopenia, and it leads to weakness, balance problems, falls, and eventually not being able to do things on your own. But here's the incredible news. Strength training reverses this. At any age, you don't need a gym. You don't need heavy weights. 20 minutes, 3 times a week. Bodyweight squats, wall push-ups, resistance bands. That is all it takes to keep your muscles strong, your bones dense, and your body independent for decades to come. Number 2, skipping breakfast, or simply not eating enough protein. Now I know what some of you are thinking. I'm just not hungry in the morning. And that's actually very common after 60. Your appetite naturally decreases as you age. But here's the problem. Your body still needs the same amount of protein to maintain muscle, support your brain, and keep your energy stable throughout the day. When you skip meals or eat too little, your blood sugar crashes. You feel tired, foggy, irritable, and over time, your muscles start breaking down for fuel. Here's what to do. Start your morning with at least 30 grams of protein, eggs and toast, Greek yogurt with berries, a protein smoothie with milk and banana. This one change alone can transform your energy levels within just 2 weeks. Number 3, and yes, this is the one that surprises everyone. Sitting for too long is just as dangerous as smoking. I'll say that again. Sitting for too long is just as dangerous as smoking. Studies published in major medical journals show that sitting for more than 8 hours a day dramatically increases your risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, certain cancers, depression, and yes, early death. And here's the part that really shocks people. This risk exists even if you exercise regularly. You can go for a 30-minute walk every morning and still face these risks. If you spend the rest of the day on the couch, the solution is not to exercise more. The solution is to sit less throughout the day. Set a timer on your phone. Every 30 minutes, stand up. Walk to another room. Do 10 standing squats. Stretch your neck and shoulders. Even just 2 minutes of movement every half hour can completely neutralize these risks. This is the easiest change on this list, and possibly the most powerful. Number 4, ignoring poor sleep. I talk to so many people over 60 who wake up at 3 inches the morning, toss and turn for hours, and just accept it as normal. It's part of getting older, they say. It is not normal, and it is not something you should just accept. Poor sleep after 60 is directly linked to accelerated memory loss, a weakened immune system, higher blood pressure, and a significantly higher risk of Alzheimer's disease. One study found that people who consistently sleep less than 6 hours a night have a 30% higher risk of dementia. That is not a small number. So what can you do? First, talk to your doctor. Sleep problems can have real medical causes. Second, stop all screens by 9 p.m. The blue light from your phone and TV blocks melatonin, your sleep hormone. Third, keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Your body sleeps best between 65 and 68 degrees. Fourth, cut off caffeine by 2 p.m. Even afternoon coffee can stay in your system for 8 to 10 hours. Good sleep is not a luxury. It is the single most powerful health tool you have. Protect it. And number 5, skipping your annual checkup because you feel fine. This one could literally save your life. So please listen carefully. The most dangerous health conditions after 60 have one thing in common. They have no symptoms. High blood pressure, no symptoms. Prediabetes, no symptoms. Early stage cancer, no symptoms. Clogged arteries, no symptoms. By the time you feel something, it's often already serious. Your annual physical is not about being sick. It's about catching problems before they become emergencies. At your checkup, make sure your doctor checks your blood pressure, blood sugar, cholesterol, thyroid function, and vitamin D levels. These 5 tests alone can give you a complete picture of your health and catch problems years before they become dangerous. Schedule the appointment. Put it on your calendar right now. Your future self 10 years from now will be incredibly grateful that you did. All right, let's do a quick recap. The 5 things you should never do after 60. Number 1, skip strength training. Number 2, skip breakfast or eat too little protein. Number 3, sit for long periods without moving. Number 4, ignore sleep problems. Number 5, skip your annual checkup. None of these are complicated. None of them require a lot of time or money, but every single one of them can add healthy, independent, joyful years to your life. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these 5 surprised you the most? Tell me in the comments below. I read every single one. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It helps us reach more people over 60 who need this information. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button right now. Every week we bring you simple, practical, science-backed tips to help you live stronger, healthier, and smarter after 60. I'll see you in the next one. And remember, age is just a number. Life after 60 can still be strong, healthy, and absolutely worth living.